Remember that Africa is actually as a whole Ethiopia. Did you know that Africa was called Ethiopia? Before the land of Ethiopia ever separated, the whole country, Africa, had many names. Ethiopia, Buigama, anyone lakhona. Bebathi kudala nabakhuluma nge-Ethiopia bebakhuluma nge-Africa yonke. So the other lands batshintsha amagama wabo, but their portion yase-Ethiopia yama. Are you with me now? You understand? So Ethiopia, what will Ethiopia do? Ethiopia, Saudi Arabia was also part of Ethiopia. Now what is Saudi Arabia? Yes. And they will take their side with Magog. Nobody put us Saudi Arabia and the other one Ubani Chapan Lalela and the other one is today that is called also Babylon. What was the one? Babylon. By the rivers of Babylon. And Babylon what's the name of the Babylon Namtanj? And then Maranas. And you know who was the king or the dictator of Babylon? One of their king or dictator Bamhema. The Americans hang him. He was a president in Iraq. The other one is called Saddam Hussein. And somebody said Saddam Hussein means mad and insane. So namhlanje Iraq was called Babylon. Law Nimrod bekakhona. Can you give the Lord a hand of praise? Ninam bazalwane. Ninam. Yeah, Ninam Gok. Now, that's why you don't hear they speak about Babylon. Why it's been changed to Iraq. Ethiopia is also part of Saudi Arabia. That is why Media Persia is also Iran. But they will form an alliance. They will fight against Israel one day, and you will see. You have seen God heal the people. You have seen God resurrected the people. You have seen God open the eyes of the blind. You have seen God do that, but you have never seen God in a battle. Nimbonile uJehova kusebafile, nimbonile uJehova avula amehlo abantu, nimbonile uJehova hila abantu, mara zange nimbone ayindoda yembi. Uthi mina ngiyindoda yembi. God says I am a man of war. That's why the time will come nabafika balwa with Israel, then he will show his skills of the part of art of warfare. Watch now. Which land also will be there that will fight against Israel? Libya will be part of it. Not Libya alone. The other one is Goma. It is what? Goma. They will fight against who? Now, Lalan. They will form a Gog and Magog. They will fight against Israel. But watch now. Also, Afghanistan will fight against Israel. Pakistan, etc. Turkey, China, North Korea. Lamazwi, they are going to mobilize. And they are going to attack Israel. Now the scripture has a tendency to repeat itself. The scripture says pinda. Remember, David was a young man. Go study your history in the book Google. I'm sure we Google today. Humble study history. The 6 Day War. Are you aware that Israel is the only nation in record when it comes to the art of warfare? Israel was defeated by Salamdile Iskepe, Amabom. But Israel today, we're going to bury your life. But let me tell you, God stepped in the last minute. Israel, in the 6th day, made his army to flee from all direction. But God stepped in. What he did to David, he did it with Israel, and he's going to do it again with the fight of who? Of Gog, and not of Gog and Magog, of Armageddon.